Hey, welcome back. You know, I've always had a bit of a challenge illustrating my ideas, but thankfully my loose sketches are usually only seen by me and my team. I'll compose together rough drawings into a format that I can then import into final illustrations and renderings, which I'm much better at delivering. I've noticed over the last couple of years that my drawings have really started to become more and more compelling, and I've been wondering, what's the reasoning behind this? In late 2015, Apple announced the iPad Pro along with the Pencil. As an avid technology enthusiast, I was really excited to check it out. I'm not exactly a consistent early adopter, but with the idea of having an opportunity to release myself of all of my sketchbooks and pens, I was quick to pick one up and wait a few months for the Pencil. Just a week or two after Thanksgiving that year, I was doodling and exploring the possibilities of my new devices. I noticed the app I was using, Procreate, seemed to follow the logic that I would naturally apply when drawing, enabling me to do things on screen I could never accomplish with pen and paper. But seeing on-screen drawings change to pixels is a much more different experience than manipulating a stylus with a tablet and seeing the results on the screen in front of you. There's a shorter psychological link between your intent and the result on the medium that you're manipulating. That's why so many people prefer to draw on paper before going into the computer to design, but that's another story. Days turned into weeks, turned into months, and I was drawing every single day and my output got better and better. Practice makes perfect, but I think there's more to this than just practice. My theory is two-sided. Side A is that the hardware-software combination works in the same way my brain does. Therefore, I'm much more likely to succeed in communicating my ideas through the media. Things like layers, the ability to undo, alpha layers, and so on make me way more capable in a way that I struggled with in the past. I felt like the software was getting out of my way. When you find software that works really well for you, you're getting to relate to the people that wrote the software, as it's a direct reflection of their own logic. Same with hardware experiences. Designers and engineers create amazing hardware solutions that work seamlessly with the experiences that we've already had in life, and they blend right in. And side B is that I love technology. Because of this and the new tools, I'm more likely to use them and illustrate my ideas. More use equals more practice equals better output. I think the truth lies somewhere in the middle though, where the technology acts as sort of a prompt and dovetails into desire and practice. Here's another example. In 2017, I got the studio and Oculus Rift set up to sort of explore and experience VR applications so that we could research compelling use case scenarios that would be relevant to our clients, but also to mess around in content creation applications like the digital sculpting app Medium. If you look up the application, you'll see a ton of organic modeling examples. I wanted to see if I could do things that were a little more mechanical and hard-edged. By creating this challenge for myself, I learned how to manipulate the software to do what I wanted it to do. I go as far as replacing the existing brushes in the software with custom elements to make more hard-edged elements. A funny side effect of this is that I'm forcing myself to have exposure to the program. By creating a deeper understanding of the rules of the technology, you can learn to bend and sometimes even break them to move to your will. The output of this VR exploration has been a ton of cool robots, spaceships, and buildings that are forming up to be an acceptable output for actual client work. Seeing that result prompts me to want to create more, and the cycle repeats. Send me some of your thoughts. Have you had software or hardware setups that just seem to work with who you are as a person? Does a certain type of tech help you get into a flow with your projects and promote better and better work? Let me know. Send me a note on Twitter and Instagram and I'll post some of the best insights and projects. Thanks so much. Have a great day.